See, this is providing the training data for AI to take over human jobs. Now, whenever you require AI to be trained, you would require agents to be trained on human data sets. In country like India, where we don't have any laws or norms with respect to use of artificial intelligence, this could be practiced at a very large level. And these same humans would be replaced by a concept called as dark factories. Now, dark factories would use artificial intelligence, machine learning, industrial robotics, and run 24 by 7 without humans getting involved. So all the outsourcing jobs would be replaced by dark factories in countries like India, or you won't even require these dark factories to be in India. They could be operated anywhere in the world. It could be operated in a remote island. So this is not only a threat to India, but this is a threat to global civilization, where AI would replace them through robotic process automation, machine learning, and agents taking over what humans have been doing. And it is a very dangerous trend. So what is required today in this country is to have the government wake up and come out with artificial intelligence related law on how it is going to safeguard human jobs, human lives, human safety when AI is taking over everything. We saw Oracle lay off 30,000 people
Yes, that's correct.
last week. And out of those, 10,000 were in India. No questions were asked about it. No questions asked. Right? Now, if we see this happening in manufacturing segment, it's a big red flag for India right now.
Right.